Be proud of yourself, not because you are perfect, but because you are trying. Hey everyone, life is not easy. I'm not strong every day. Sometimes I feel tired, sometimes I feel scared, and sometimes I doubt myself. I make mistakes a lot, but I don't stop. I learn and then I learn again. I don't care about what people say about me or how they judge me. I know who I am and I know how hard it is. So don't waste yourself, don't waste your time thinking about others people's words. Don't put yourself on hold because of others. Don't slow your growth for anyone. Work hard, motivate yourself, be proud of yourself, work on yourself, improve yourself, move forward step by step. Making mistakes is not a failure, stopping after mistakes is failure. People will always talk, that's what they do, that's their job, and honestly, this world belongs to no one. I may be slow, but I am improving, I am learning, I am growing. So never stop believing in yourself. Never, never stop just someone talk about you. Your journey is yours. Your time will come. And one day you will look back and say, I didn't stop. And that changed everything. So keep it up and never give up. Be proud of yourself. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Keep growing. Bye bye.